Maximum of 1 minute. Kung hindi mo makakonsume yung 1 minute mo, okay lamang. No? Let's start it. Number 1. Bes, halika na, Bes. Gusto kong may kaagaw ako. Ha? Diba? Ano pong pangalan niyo?
Patrick Taguba Maragon po.
Patrick Taguba Maragon. Ano pong pangalan niyo?
Angel Valencia.
Angel Valencia. Yeah? Please, mauna mo na si girl. Huwag ka mauna. Si girl muna mako. Okay. Your word is competition. Your word is competition. You are given a minute to say something about it.
For me, competition is not about defeating others. It's about to challenge myself to be a better. So we must treat every competition such as this pageant as a healthy platform where respect, determination, and excellence comes together. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you very much. That's number 1. And number 1 for the male category. Your word is what?
Training.
Ano?
Training.
Training. Training.
For me, training is not about building muscle and perfecting moves, but rather it's self-discipline, dedication, and hard work. It doesn't only improve your skills, but it improves your mentality toward the journey you will embark. And I thank you.
Wow. Training. Kasi ang masasabi ko lang, para akong nag-training sa pag-MC ko ngayon. Thank you very much. Pair number 1. Wait.
Hi, for our top 5, in no particular order, you still have a chance to bring on the crown for tonight's competition. Lalaki muna tayo, ha? Girls, pagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagp You are one step closer to the crown.
Number 1. You're turning towards the count.
Hello, candidate number 1. Before I will ask my question, may I know if you are an athlete?
Yes.
Okay. For you, what is the symbolism of sports to your life?
For me, it's a symbol of hard work, dedication, and sportsmanship. It's the most precious thing in my life because as a volleyball player, I love to play sports, and I thank you.
Your judge is Miss Ashley.
So this is a sportsmanship scenario again. No? So you observe that an opposing team member is unfairly arguing with the referee over a call that went against them. How would you respond to promote respect and sportsmanship in these situations regardless of your own team's standing? Thank you for that wonderful question and good evening to all of us. I would like to explain what is sportsmanship. Sportsmanship is not just about playing fair. It's about respect, humility, and integrity, whether we win or lose. And as a beauty queen, I believe na ang tunay na pagkapanalo naman ay hindi nababase sa corona na suot natin. It's about the value we show, lifting others, accepting challenges, and proving that the spirit of competing is best pag ito ay nakaka-inspire ng unity and growth para sa lahat. And I believe that the true beauty queen wears her humility louder than her crown. That's all. Thank you.
Face each other. Guys, I am going to announce the Miss Palaro. Miss Palaro muna ang i-announce ko. Okay? Pero mamaya, maunang ma-awardan ang Miss Iraya. Pati Mr. Iraya. Miss Palaro muna ang i-award ko. Miss Palaro is number our Miss Palaro is number 8 and 1. Okay, papicture muna kayo. Diyos ko, ang energy ko, no? Parang ano na. Mr. Palaro muna ang sasabihin ko. Our Mr.